Hello guys, I am going to show you how to replace a signal bulb that is no longer working. So I'm going to quickly show you what to look for to know that your signal bulb is not working. Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn on the engine and then I'm going to turn on my left signal lamp or switch and you will notice what's happening. Okay, so initially it's blinking normally and then it starts to go very fast. When it's going very fast like that, it means that one of your bulb is no longer working. I'm going to turn on the right signal light and you will see it's going much slower, more regular pattern, and then I'm going to switch it to the left. It's going much faster, so it means that one of your bulb is not working. I'm just going to go outside and we're going to look and you'll see that the back one is not, there's no indication of this light being on at the back. And when we come to the front, you can see the front one is on. So I'm just going to show you how to quickly replace this. So just turn off your engine. Okay, so I'm just going to open the trunk and here is my bulb. Make sure you have the correct bulb that you need. I bought this one at Canadian Tire. You can see the number there, or you can just take the name of your vehicle and the year and just take it to the counter and ask the guys for the correct one that will match your vehicle. Alright, so if you come right here, you will see that there are two clips. I'm just gonna pull out this clip. And by the way, this is a Dodge Journey 2010. Dodge Journey 2010. So I've got those clips out. With those out, I can easily remove this. There it is, it's out. So just turn it over and you see the simple connection. So I'm just gonna remove this, just twist it anti-clockwise and remove it. Now you can see the bulb is all burnt out, so you can see the brownish coloration there, and I'm just gonna remove it from the socket here. So I just pull it out. There it is. So what happened is I'm looking inside and I can see the filament there, these metal things inside. Look at the filament inside. I can see it's corroded, like it's burnt out. So yeah, that one is no longer working. So I'm gonna replace this with a new one. This replacement here, I'm just gonna put it in. Okay. Let's push it in like that, and it snaps into place. Before I connect it, put it back in, I'm just gonna go and turn on the engine again and turn on the switch. Make sure it's working. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn back the engine on and turn the signal light switch on and see. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the left signal light. Now it's blinking regularly. It's not blinking fast. It's that it has that rhythm. So I'm gonna go check and look to see if it's blinking, and there it is. It's blinking at the back, and the front one is also blinking. So it's good to go. I'm just gonna now turn the engine back off and just reassemble it what's at the back, and we should be good to go. So I'll just push. So I'm just gonna fit this back into place. Fit this back into place. You just push it in and twist it clockwise. So there it is. Twist it clockwise and it fits snugly. These need to fit into that hole. Okay, there it is. It's fit back into place. Pretty easy. Fit back into place. I'll just put back these clips inside now. Okay. That's one. And the second one. And there it is. It's not gonna move. It's a little bit. So there it is, it's back in place. So there it is, it's working. I'm just gonna shut this. It's working. And the front is also working. So there it is, guys. Simple way of changing a bulb that's not working for the indicator lamp on a Dodge Journey 2010. It's similar for basically all Dodge Journeys.